What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Revell's 1969 Camaro Z28 RS. So let's go in the box, see what's on the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so first up, we're a decal sheet. It is a good sized decal sheet. You know, you get your typical stripes, the black and white stripes, and some sponsor decals, and some license plates. No gauge decals, which is kind of a bum, but that's okay. Alright, clear parts. Typical coat, main windshield, rear glass, your headlights. Very cool, your windshield washer fluid, that's pretty neat, and your blinkers. Alright, pre-tinted tail lights for you, which is always a good plus. They're very neat. Alright, one big chrome tree. And this contains most of your body parts and some engine parts and bumpers and stuff. Very cool. Those nice wheels. Very cool. Grill, begging for a black wash, but that's a very nice grill. With next to the valve covers. I'm so sorry, the camera does not like this chrome. It's so shiny, reflecting off the light. Very cool. Alright, one big bag of white molded parts. And this one just contains some chassis parts and interior parts. You get your firewall here, and radiator shroud, and leaf springs. Very cool. Nice hood. Door panels. Very nice detail. Right, this tree contains most of the engine parts. And it's on the console. And your two-piece exhaust, that's pretty cool. Right, this tree, more chassis parts in your grill, exhaust, looks like a spoiler. Yep, ducktail spoiler. That's pretty cool. Alright, this tree contains a little part of your chassis parts and the rest of your interior, your springs and stuff, and your main chassis right here. Some writing down there, but that might be covered by the axle, but if I were you, just scratch that right out and look a lot nicer. Very cool. And your seats, your back bench seat and your front 2 seats. Very cool. Alright, last blue of the big bag is this one has more chassis parts. Big drive shaft, that's pretty cool, and that's mode open, that's pretty neat. Front axle and rear axle, mode in one piece, very neat. Rear and seat backs. Dashboard. Again, there's no dash gauge decals, which is kind of bummed, but I'm sure you might have some in the parts bin, or not. If not, you should be able to detail that very easily. And your interior bucket, pretty neat. There's nothing molded in there. It's just the main floor. The door panels is molded separate. Your center console is separate, so you can pretty much just glob this whole thing with glue, except the pedals, or just spray the whole thing just with just black or whatever color you want the floor to be, and just flock it all. Mask off the speakers. Very cool. Should be easy interior to do. You get a set of 4 tires in this kit, and they're very hard vinyl. I mean, they're solid. But the tread pattern is pretty decent. No name brand. And they're on the tree, so you do have a little cleanup. Again, very hard. I can't even bend these. Super. Very cool. And the last thing being up is your 60s Camaro style body style. Very cool. Very nice mode. Some mold lines, a typical coat on your fender. And you can see one right here. Wow, that's a pretty big one. Goes shoots all the way out here. So, typical mold lines, but nothing too major. A little cleanup to do on the back, but nothing, like I said, nothing too difficult. The panel lines, they're there. They're actually pretty decent, but definitely sky them out just to be 100% sure. Very cool. Nice clean body. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I do recommend it. It's a low parts count kit, so it should be very easy to put together. Like again, very cool. This is one of the most popular Camaros out there this type of year, so a very awesome kit by Revell. Hardly any flash, very little cleanup, and just a few mold lines on the body, nothing too major. Your typical mold lines, but like I said, it should be a very easy kit to put together. If you're doing for a weekend build, I'm sure you can put this together for a weekend if you got plenty of time. This should be a very quick, easy build for you. So there should be no issues with it at all. But I'll provide a link in the description where you can get yours down below. Like again, I do recommend it. And until my next unboxing Monday, guys, and until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.